This video will show you how to set up and customize a landing page using PropStream's marketing tools. First, go to Campaigns page and select the marketing campaign that needs a landing page. You can create a unique landing page for each marketing campaign in your PropStream account, so these pages can be as targeted as your lead list. Select Setup Website, and a pop-up will appear to get started. You can change the website name and be notified if the URL is currently available. There's a form for capturing leads on your landing page, so you will be asked to provide an email address where the form submissions will be sent. There is a checkbox for saving the landing page design as a template for future use. Finally, you have the choice to start with a blank page or a pre-defined website. If you ever saved one of your designs for future use, you can find it by selecting the predefined website option. The landing page consists of a header image, logo, up to 5 pictures in the body, header text, and body text. There's a live preview to the right to help you review your changes as they're made, but you can also click Preview to see a full-size version of your landing page. Use the tools here to customize your landing page by adjusting the header and body text, while uploading all of your preferred images. To add an image, hover over the Browse option to upload it from your computer. To delete an image, select it and click Remove. Follow these steps to add images. The logo image is displayed on the top of the banner image and its size is adjustable. Once your images are uploaded, you can use the tools below to edit the text. Change the font, size, color, and more. After you've made your changes, click Preview to open a full-size example of your landing page. Don't forget to save your progress so you can continue right where you left off. When you're satisfied with your designs, the landing page will automatically publish and your website is now live. Lastly, you can click Edit to make any changes to the settings of the landing page. Start today with a 7-day free trial and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.